According to Islam, the universe came into existence solely by the will and command of Allah, the one and only Creator. The Quran repeatedly emphasizes that Allah is the originator of the heavens and the earth and everything within them. Creation began when Allah willed it, issuing the divine command Kun Fayakun as mentioned in several verses such as Al-Baqarah 2:117 and Al-Imran 3:47. This command brought the universe into existence from nothingness, demonstrating the absolute power and sovereignty of Allah over all things. The Quran describes that Allah created the heavens and the earth and all that lies between them in 6 periods, often referred to as days. Though these are not necessarily literal 24-hour days, but stages or phases of creation, as stated in Surah 754. The Quran provides a unique account of the universe's origin, stating that the heavens and the earth were once a single, joined entity before Allah separated them. Do not the disbelievers see that the heavens and the earth were joined together, then we split them asunder? This separation is sometimes interpreted as a reference to a primordial event akin to the modern scientific concept of the Big Bang, where all matter was initially together before expanding apart. The Quran further mentions that, after this separation, the universe was in a state described as smoke, indicating a hot, gaseous mass from which Allah shaped the heavens and the earth. Allah then commanded the heavens and the earth to come together willingly, and they obeyed, signifying the establishment of the natural order and the laws governing the cosmos. Allah established balance and harmony in the universe, creating night and day, the sun and the moon, and setting everything on a precise course. Every phenomenon in nature, from the alternation of day and night to the movement of celestial bodies, is a sign of Allah's wisdom and power. The Quran also highlights that every living thing was created from water, emphasizing the interconnectedness of life and the universe. After the creation of the earth, Allah created all living beings, including plants, animals, and ultimately humans, each according to a divine plan and purpose. Islam teaches that the universe is not eternal. It had a definite beginning and will have an end, both determined by Allah. The universe continues to expand, a fact alluded to in the Quran, with power did we construct the heaven. Verily, we are able to extend the vastness of space thereof. This expansion is in line with modern scientific observations, further reinforcing the harmony between revelation and reason. The creation of the universe in Islam is not a random or accidental occurrence but a deliberate, purposeful act by the Creator. Everything in the universe operates according to the laws decreed by Allah, reflecting His wisdom and knowledge. The existence and order of the universe are considered the greatest proofs of Allah's existence and oneness. The Quran invites people to reflect on the signs in the universe as evidence of the Creator, urging them to recognize His greatness and submit to His will. In summary, Islam teaches that the universe was created by Allah's command from nothingness, shaped and ordered according to His will, and continues to exist and expand by His decree. The story of creation in Islam underscores the absolute power, wisdom and mercy of Allah, and serves as a foundation for the Islamic worldview, which sees the entire cosmos as a manifestation of the Creator's will and a sign for humanity to ponder.